Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Discord stuck on black or gray screen. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To resolve issues with Discord, start by closing any running instances of the application. You can do this by opening the Task Manager. Click on the start bar and search for Task Manager, or press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard and select Task Manager from the options. In Task Manager, locate any Discord processes by searching for Discord in the search box. Right-click each Discord process and select End Task to close them. Next, you'll need to delete Discord's cached data. Go back to the Start menu and search for Run. In the Run dialog box, type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open a folder where you should locate the Discord folder. Right-click the Discord folder and select the trash icon to delete it. After that, navigate up one level to the AppData directory by clicking on AppData in the path bar. Open the local folder and find the Discord folder here as well. Right-click this folder and delete it in the same way. Once these folders are deleted, you should flush your DNS cache to clear any potential network issues. Go to the Start menu again, search for CMD, and right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator to open the command prompt with elevated permissions. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig flushtons and press Enter. This command will clear your DNS cache. Finally, reinstall Discord. Open a web browser and go to Discord. Click on Download for Windows to get the latest version of the Discord installer. Once the file has downloaded, open it and follow the prompts to reinstall Discord on your computer. You may need to log into your account again after the installation is complete. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues with Discord and get it running smoothly again. If you continue to experience problems, please feel free to ask for additional assistance. So that's basically how to fix Discord stuck on black or gray screen. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.